Oye Biafra. Oye Odùduwà. Oye Biafra. Oye Odùduwà. Biafra nation now.
Biafra nation now.
Yoruba nation now.
Yoruba nation now.
We thank you all. We thank you all. We are here in Vienna on the 15th of July 2021. I'm here to solidarity with my Biafrans, brothers and sisters about the kidnap of our brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and about the extrajudicial killings of our brothers and sisters in Southern, in Yoruba land and Biafra land. We are calling upon all United Nations, the European Union, the African Union, the Austrian Parliament and all the world leaders to come to our aid because of the killings and the massacre going on in Nigeria. It's too much. In Biafra land and in the Odùduwà land, it's too much. And we, the Biafrans and the Odùduwà, are now together to fight for our right to leave the contraption called Nigeria. Yes. Because the 1914 amalgamation expired in 2014. And then the Nigerian government with the Kenyan government collide together to kidnap Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya and then took him to Nigeria, and it was in detention now. And we are calling all the world leaders to come to our aid to free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to free all the agitators, the Nigerian government arrest. We are calling all the international community that Sunday Igboho is not a terrorist. Sunday Igboho is not a terrorist. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not a terrorist. The Nigerian government know the terrorist. Shehu Gumi is a terrorist. Pantami is a terrorist. Buhari is a terrorist. They know all the terrorists. Now they are following the agitators. Why? The agitators are agitating for their freedom out of that contraption called Nigeria. Nigeria is a British company. Nigeria is a British company. And British company must come to an end. And Nigeria is a terrorist land. Everyone knows about it. Nigeria is a terrorist land and a British company. And British want us to be together so that they can take all our resources. And now we are saying enough is enough. British left European Union without anything, without fight, without anything. Why are they keeping us together? Because of their selfishness. We are saying enough is enough. Yoruba nation now, Biafra nation now. The genocide going on in Nigeria is too much. It's too much. They are killing children, women, anyone. They are killing in Yoruba land, in Biafra land. And we are calling enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We in Nnamdi Kanu now. We in Nnamdi Kanu now. Igboho is not a terrorist. Pantami is a terrorist. Gumi is a terrorist. Nigerian government is a terrorist. Free all the agitators. Oye Biafra. Oye Odùduwà. Yoruba nation now. Biafra nation now. God bless Yoruba nation. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin brother mi àti sister mi. Orúkọ tèmi ni Yusuf Ọlátúnjí. Mo ní kí n kí gbogbo yín ni pé a wá fún ètò láti jà fún ẹ̀tọ́ wa. Gbogbo àwọn tó gbé nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, nílẹ̀ Igbo, gbogbo àwọn tó gbé à ń dìmáàdì fún wọn pé kí wọ́n fi gbogbo wọn lẹ̀ báyìí. À ń dìmáàdì fún wọn pé kí wọ́n fi gbogbo wọn lẹ̀ báyìí. Sunday Igboho kò kí ṣe terrorist. Nnamdi Kanu kì í ṣe terrorist. Gumi terrorist ni Gumi. Terrorist ni Pantami. À ń sọ fún gbogbo àwọn leaders tó wà ní gbogbo àgbáláyé ní pé kó fi gbogbo àwọn agitators sílẹ̀. Gbogbo àwọn agitators wà tó mú kí wọ́n fi wọ́n sílẹ̀. Wọn kì í ṣe terrorist. Àwọn terrorist wọ́n dá wọn mọ̀ kó lọ sílẹ̀ Fúlàní, kó lọ sílẹ̀ Haúsá, kó lọ kó odò wọn, kó fi àwọn Yorùbá àti Ìgbò sílẹ̀, kó fi Yorùbá àti Biafra lẹ̀ sílẹ̀, kó fi wá sí àṣemọ́ kó fi wá sílẹ̀ o. Kò ṣe dandan o. Àwọn olórí burúkú tó ń kó wa lẹ́rú, a fẹ́ kó lọ ọ̀ndẹ̀ ẹrú láàrin wọn. Pẹ̀lú ògbó ọlá máa kó láàrin wọn lágbára Ọlọ́run. Àṣẹ Èdùmàrè lágbára Ọlọ́run. Yorùbá nation now. Biafra nation now. God bless Oduduwa, God bless Biafra.
Please, our Oduduwa brother, if you are ready, you come behind for the Oduduwa national anthem.